Hi everyone. Hope everyone's doing well and everyone's having a good start to the new year so far. Just wanted to come on here and share what I received from Mommy in Los Angeles from the contest that they had, the tablescaping contest. And it's a wonderful bag of goodies and wanted to share exactly what I received from them for the winnings of the contest. So this is the gift bag here. I thought it was really cool. It's different. I love the color. I haven't opened this, you guys, so I'm not sure what's in here, but already it's looking pretty good. I believe it's... Oh, yeah. Oh, how cool. And let me tell you, I need makeup because I don't wear makeup very often. I'm sure some of you guys know that. So this is amazing. I'll definitely have this on hand, and I love the color. Thank you. More from Wow Mom. Oh. Body spray. Lux fragrance spray perfume. Liquid Emotion for body and space. Oh, this is a nice fragrance. Love it. Thank you. We definitely will be saving this ribbon. Probably for my crafts. Ah, and jewelry. Oh my gosh. How beautiful. Look at this. It is so beautiful. I love it. Oh my gosh. Thank you. Oh, this is so pretty. Amethyst Amant luxury scented soy candle. See that? Oh, and it smells so good. The mystique of purple quartz fused with the affection and ardor of a trusted lover. A handsome combination of citrus, vetiver, and peppercorn. So I used to work at Bath & Body Works, and I'm very familiar with vetiver. Love it. And love the fragrance. I cannot wait to burn this. Thank you. Wow, Mom. Amazing. Thank you so much. Oh, hello there. Oh. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Annabelle Marquez. This is from the editor of Mommy in Los Angeles. Thank you so much. And the Home Goods gift card that I'll be using. This is perfect timing because I have an event coming up and I'm looking forward to using some goodies for that event. And Home Goods is the perfect place to get some of this stuff that I need. And I will be sharing my trip to Home Goods, and I'll be sharing what I purchased and how I end up using some of the items that I purchased in Home Goods. So stay tuned for that. Discovery Kit. This is pretty cool. Self-absorbed facial moisturizer, Power Trip facial serum, and 2020 eye cream. Pretty cool. Thank you. Gel pens. What? This is amazing. I'm sorry, but this is so cool because I can totally use this for my crafts. Awesome. Thank you so much. Oh, a journal. Yes, I love it. Thank you so much. It says, we're so grateful. And yes, I am. Absolutely grateful. Thank you so much. Berry 805. Berry 805. This is a weekly to-do list. Really cool. I'll probably add a little magnet here and put this on my refrigerator. Oh, and look at these pens. Super cute. Love it. And a candy cane, of course. Super cute. Berry 805 lip oil. Ooh, this is such a pretty color. Love this. I cannot wait to use this. Yes. Thank you so much. This is from Berry 805. Love this. Thank you so much. I gotta check you guys out. and follow you guys. This is another journal. Includes 80 productivity pages. Oh, this is nice. So I can set some goals here in this one. So I'm super excited. Thank you so much. Love this. Thank you. Oh, and I see a familiar face. Jan. Hi, Jan. Oh my gosh. I'm super excited to see and read this. Go through this. Yes. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you so much, Mommy in Los Angeles. Thank you to Brenda at By Charms 21. Love you guys. Thank you so much for this gift. Thank you guys so much for allowing me to showcase my work. Make sure to follow Mommy in Los Angeles and By Charms 21 on Instagram. I'll also be attaching in the captions the following Instagram pages to follow as well that were part of this gift bag. So be sure to follow these businesses as well.